all over Utah. You may remember neighbors told 2 News last year that the light from one billboard was so bright, some people were actually selling their houses and moving. Jeremy Harris live in Riverton for us tonight. And Jeremy, were they able to turn this billboard off? What is the solution?
Well, Shauna, from this angle, it kind of seems like they turned it off, at least turned it way down. I remember standing in this intersection last year, and this billboard was illuminating the neighborhood. But this high-tech solution could have more implications for a lot of places in Utah.
Night and day difference, literally.
You may call it the best of both worlds.
I could just enjoy my neighborhood again like it once was.
This billboard near Lara Huff's home still sends its message to drivers on Bangerter Highway, but from this perspective,
I don't even think about it anymore.
6 months ago, it was a different story when we spoke to the neighbors who were furious when this billboard was installed.
This is an issue that we unintentionally created, unfortunately.
Arthur Woodbury with Woodbury Homes, who owns the sign, says his company went to Canada to find a solution for the neighbors. The technology on the new sign limits where the light beams.
Our goal is to be good, community participants, and we want to build better communities.
They took in the citizen comments. They had no legal obligation to make any changes to the billboard, and they made the changes anyway.
State Senator Dan McKay got involved in this bright billboard bind, but he says Woodbury came up with the solution on their own.
To go through that extent on behalf of the community, I'm hopeful that other developers will follow this example.
It's made a difference and it's helped make an impact for good here.
Woodbury says it will be using the technology on new billboards, and all sides here hope this light deflecting tech will catch on.
I hope that it's one of those stories where people go, I'm going to be a little bit more thoughtful about this.
So for right now, I asked Senator McCain, there's not really any legislative plans to mandate that electronic sign companies use this deflecting technology, but consider this. There was a lawsuit brewing from these neighbors, and now they're very happy with the solution, so it likely could have saved that company a lot of money. There could be some good incentive for other companies to consider